So hey guys, welcome to DevDom, and in today's video we are going to solve this problem called number of occurrence. So let's start. So what's the problem statement says that, so we have given a sorted array and a target number, and you need to find the number of occurrences of the target in the array. We have given an array. There are many number of elements in the array, and along with we have given a target. Okay, so we have to find the occurrence, that means the frequency of the target in the array, and we have to return that number. This example, so this is the array, target is 2. Okay, so we have to find how many times the 2 is occurred in this array. So we have to return the output as 4 because 4 times the 2 is occurred. Let's take another example. So here this is an array and target is 4. Here 4 is not present, so the output is 0. Here is an array and this is the target 12. So here the 12 has occurred 3 times. The output is 3. Okay. Let's try to solve this problem now. So here I have taken a sample, okay, of an array, and the target is to find the occurrence of 2. Okay, here we have to find how many times the number 2 has occurred in the array. The logic will be, so first we have to take a variable as count. Okay, and then we have to run a loop. So we have to check, okay, if our array of I is equal to target. Okay, then we have to update the count. Okay, then after that we have to return the count. So we have to create a function, create a variable as count. So in that we will traverse a loop. Okay, and here we will check the condition. If our array of I is equal to the target, then we can update the count variable. After that we will return the count. Okay, let's say here is the count. So here we'll take a iterator as I. So let's dry run it now. So first the array starts from here. So array of 0, I will be get 0, and we'll check if our array of I is equal to target. No, here that is no, then the value will not store in the count variable. I value will be 1. Now we will check for the element. Okay, so is this element is equal to our target? No, then again the value I value will be gets updated, and we will go to the next element. Now is this element is equal to our target? Yes, then our count value will be gets updated. Now I value gets updated. Now I value will become 3. Okay, then it will goes to this element. Okay, and check if this element is equal to our target. Yes, and counter will gets updated. Okay, now counter will become 2. Then after that I value it gets updated. Now I value has become 4. Okay, we will traverse to this element. I will check if this element is equal to our target. Yes, then we will update count variable. So count will be become 3. I value gets updated. Now I value has become 5. Okay, now we will go to this element. Now we will check if this element is equal to our target. Yes, then we will update our count. Okay, now I value gets updated. Now I value has become 6. Okay, then we'll go to this element and check if this element is equal to our target. No, then our counter will not get updated. Now simple, we have to return this counter variable to our function. Okay, so this way we can solve this problem. Start to write the code. So we will take the variable as count, int count is equal to 0, and here we'll run a loop for int I is equal to 0 to I should less than array of length, then I will gets updated. And here we will check if array of I is equal to our target, then update count. Okay, here we have to simply return count. Okay, so we have to return this variable. So let's run the code. So as you can see, the test case 1 has been passed. Now let's submit this code. See, all the test cases has been passed, and this is all about this video. Thank you for watching this video.